Hi my YouTube friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am Dee and you're looking at the how-to lady. Yes, so we're going to dive right in and we're going to talk about... Today we're going to share how to do a DIY or a life hack in a snap. So if you're interested, stay tuned and we're going to get this ball rolling and we're going to knock it out of the park. Hi everyone. As indicated in the introduction, we're going to do a DIY/hack that can be done in a snap. Today, I'm really excited because I have a great way that you can use regular household items in order to create something on your vanity that can hold things like Q-tips, cotton swabs, Band-Aids, because think about it. Any emergency that you have at home, typically it happens in the bathroom or the kitchen, and you want to have those Band-Aids right there, accessible and ready. So here are some of the things that you'll need. I have this tin pan, and it's like a bread pan, and you use this to cook bread, but I'm going to use it for a supply holder on my vanity. And I like the silver because I just like that. Just the color of it just makes me feel good. So you can get the color of your choice, but I've chosen to use the silver bread pan. The other thing you will need is this faux rhinestone ribbon. It can be found at any store, Walmart, Hobby Lobby, Michael's, you name it, just that gold, that silver faux rhinestone ribbon. Then you're gonna need your scissors and definitely your glue gun. It is very important to this project, as well as a plastic folder holder. I call it a sheet holder. You slip information down in these things and it just provides a way for you to see whatever it is that you've written. And often people will keep this in their files or they'll keep it in a place where they can see it and be able to read whatever's inside. But we're going to cut this up today. Now, I'm not going to cut up this one. I've already pre-cut and pre-designed one that I'm going to use as a top for my container. Are y'all ready? So what we're gonna do right now is we're going to glue our faux rhinestone ribbon around this container. It's just a way to jazz it up. It's nothing special. You're just making it look cute. Or you can use it plain, just like this, and still have it sit on your counter and look great. All right, here we go. Isn't that cute? Now we're going to go with our top. I have pre-cut some plastic from the paper holder, and I've already put the design around the paper holder, the piece that I cut from the paper holder. I took a simple plastic piece and put faux rhinestone around it. This is going to act as a knob to lift and lower the top of the container. Isn't that cute? I love it. So now we are going to place the items in this container that we want to hold on top of our vanity. I have some cotton balls that I'm going to put in there. I also have some Band-Aids. And voila, there we have it. My container is holding the things that I need easy access to. And you can put it right on your vanity and you're good to go. All right, so let's see what it looks like on the vanity. So I hope you enjoyed that DIY/hack that could be done in a snap. It looks great on my vanity. The counter is kept clean and free of clutter because I have my holder here that is done for zero cost, very little cost. And it looks amazing, don't you think so? All right, I hope you try it. Until then, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll know when I will be sharing more videos. All right, I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you for watching, my friends, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.